How can I set an online business?
Do you want an easy and effective plan to get an average income? Yes or no?
Yes.
How much can you invest?
99 cents.
99 cents. Don't worry, I have a plan for you. I think you know Sprout Gigs. Look at this picture. This person is selling ChatGPT prompts for $3. You can now get this product at a lower price with resale rights, and create your own project for only 99 cents. That's not all. You'll get Mastering AI for Remote Jobs ebook for free.
For example, your client needs content to help get the word out about their business. Copy and paste our instructions into this box, and in seconds, AI will create photos for you. Turn photos into videos. Videos into animations. Text into videos from scratch. Ideas into stories. It can learn your customer's voice.
This is not the real Billie Jean. Artificial intelligence replicated his voice in seconds.
Ideas into emails. A month's worth of emails in seconds. Make podcasts for them.
Welcome to podcast episode